Hello, my name is Dennis Nattel of Ideal Shield. I'm going to show you how to assemble and install a goalpost at your facility. Prior to this, let me go through some of the benefits of why you should use a goalpost to protect your assets at your warehouse or distribution center.
They protect your freezer, high speed, overhead, and dock doors. They are easy to assemble and install. They are maintenance free. And Ideal Shield's goalposts received the Plant Engineering Product of the Year award. They're comprised of 4-inch and 6-inch diameter Schedule 40 steel. Sleeved in a durable 1/4-inch high-density polyethylene thermoplastic, they withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. They reduce maintenance costs and do not interfere with regular door traffic. All right, let's get started by talking about the best way to measure for your goalpost for your facilities. Follow me. Ideal Shield provides a specification sheet to help make sure you measure correctly. All measurements should be taken as inside dimensions. This also helps ensure Ideal Shield builds the goalpost product correctly to your specifications. All Ideal Shield goalposts are shipped in 3-part sections when they arrive at your business. When ready to install, lay the vertical pieces on the floor, then insert the horizontal piece into the vertical. The bolts at each end of the vertical rail must be backed out about 1.5 inches to lock the system into place. After backing out the bolts, simply replace the plastic end caps at the top of the vertical pieces. If you opt to use a steel base plate, once your goalposts are assembled, have 2 workers help you steady the goalpost as you lower it into place. Be sure to secure the goalpost to the forklift. Next, use a 3/4-inch bit to drill your holes. Hammer in 4 3/4-inch by 6 1/4-inch threaded anchors and tighten down the bolts. About 1 inch of the threaded anchor should be showing. Of course, you can choose to core or cut out a hole to the depth of how deep you wish to go beneath your floor and grout for a full-time permanent installation. For more information on our Ideal Shield goalposts, feel free to contact me.